I love minimalism, so I wanted to design a minimalist key holder for my own house. After completion, I thought I should share the design process with you guys, which is very simple and easy. Let's start with the new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose a rectangular tool and create a 280 by 160 rectangle. This is going to be the size of our base layer. Now duplicate the rectangle and reduce the height by 40 mm. Adjust it on the base layer and choose the Pathfinder tool and cut the smaller piece. This will be our second layer. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. Now select the ellipse tool and create a 1.5 mm circle. This will be the guiding hole for our iron hooks. Six holes will be suitable for this size of key holder. Let's align them vertically and click on horizontal distribution to create equal balance between them. Make a group and adjust them on the layer. Select the ellipse tool again and create a 4.5 mm hole for the wall mounted nails. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help publishing content like this more often. Group this layer together and create a copy. Choose the Pathfinder tool to cut holes. Now let's go to Canva and search for some pattern which we are going to use to design our key holder. Choose any pattern you like and download it in PNG or SVG format. If you download in PNG format, then open it in Adobe Illustrator. Click on Image Trace. Click on Expand. Ungroup them and choose the element you want to keep and delete the rest. I have chosen this pattern for this design, so let's cut out a certain area and use this to design our key holder. I'm going to put it on the black and choose a design I want to keep within the blank area. Now select them together and select the Shape Builder tool. To remove any area, press and hold Alt key and drag the area with mouse to remove it. Do the same with the whole area. Press and hold the Alt key while clicking the area where you want to remove anything. Double check everything and click on Pathfinder tool to merge all of them together. You can do the same process with the Shape Builder tool. Choose the Shape Builder tool to merge them together and Pathfinder tool to create holes. And now both of our layers are ready. To personalize it with your own name, choose any font you like and adjust them on the key holder. Now let's open it in the Lightburn software and cut them out. I'm going to cut base layer in black color and upper layer in dark brown color. I'm using Sculpfun S9 machine. I went a little overboard and created a bunch of designs. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also a lot of free files available to download from my shop. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.